Now we will explain you two warning lamps that are newly introduced in BS6 vehicles. First is the DPF regeneration light. Before discussing about this warning lamp, let's quickly go through the exhaust gas treatment system fitted in the vehicle.
So here you can see that the exhaust flows through this unit, which is having three subsections. The first unit is the DOC, diesel oxidation catalyst. The second unit is DPF, diesel particulate filter, which filters the carbon particles known as soot. And the third one is the SCR, selective catalytic reduction, where the exhaust gases are chemically treated with the aqueous urea solution known as AdBlue. And here is the tank where the AdBlue is stored.
Coming back to the diesel particulate filter, as I have already told you, this filter captures the particulate matter known as soot present in the exhaust gases. So this soot keeps on collecting inside the DPF. Now, when this collected soot mass crosses a specific limit, the DPF requires cleaning, and this process of cleaning is known as regeneration, where some amount of diesel is made to reach the DPF, and this diesel, when it gets burnt inside the DPF, cleans all the collected soot mass. The regeneration is an automatic process without much manual intervention, and it is further of three types. Based on the type, the DPF lamp glows accordingly in green, yellow and red color. So now, if this lamp indication is glowing in green, this indicates about automatic regeneration process going on in the DPF. And in addition to the green lamp, you will also find the message regeneration activated flashing on the meter set. Usually the automatic regeneration will happen after every 100 hours of engine operation and will last for about 25 minutes. You need to just continuously keep on running the vehicle unless the light goes off. But in case you need to stop the vehicle, try not to switch off the engine, as the regeneration will automatically end within 20 to 25 minutes. But then also, if you need to switch off the engine, no issues. Next time again, when the soot mass will cross the set point, the light will glow and regeneration will happen automatically. Now let us see if the lamp is glowing in yellow color. You will notice the DPF lamp glowing in yellow color and also the message park regeneration required, stop the vehicle, flashing on the meter set. This indicates that the automatic regeneration process happening in the vehicle is not enough to burn out the soot mass, and it needs to be stopped and regenerated. So for carrying out this type of regeneration, you need to park the vehicle at a safe location. Shift the gear lever to neutral position and engage the park brake and start the vehicle. After about 1 minute of starting the vehicle, begin the process of regeneration by pressing this set button on the meter set for about more than 5 seconds. You will notice that the vehicle RPM rises automatically to 2000 RPM, and this will continue for about 20 to 25 minutes. After that, the RPM will return to normal and the vehicle can be run normally. When the regeneration process is underway, do not press the accelerator pedal, clutch pedal or brake pedal, as this will immediately stop the regeneration process. And also not to miss, while regeneration, the exhaust gases coming out are at a very high temperature of approximately 500 to 600 degrees Celsius. So kindly ensure no inflammable material like dead leaves, scraps of paper, grease drums, diesel drums, etc. are in the close vicinity of the vehicle. Now, I will tell you about the third type of regeneration in case the regeneration lamp starts glowing in red color. So, if you ignore the yellow regeneration lamp, then ultimately the lamp will start glowing in red color with message regeneration required, urgently go to the dealer flashing on the screen, which indicates that the level of soot has reached a very high level and the vehicle requires regeneration urgently. In this case, you are advised to immediately stop the vehicle and contact the dealership or our toll-free number. As for regeneration, in such case, special diagnostic tool is required. If you keep on ignoring the red regeneration light, then ultimately the vehicle will go into RPM restriction mode, with RPM getting restricted to 1500 RPM. And also, there are a high chances of DPF getting damaged, incurring high repair cost. Also sometimes, if the vehicle encounters some abnormality in the air or fuel system, then you may encounter red regeneration light glowing without any green or yellow light, and the vehicle RPM will get restricted to 1500 RPM. In such cases, immediately contact customer support number. The next newly introduced warning light in BS6 is NOx light. This is the last but one of the most critical warning lamp especially introduced in the BS6 vehicle. So, whenever the vehicle will encounter any problem due to which its emission gets disturbed, this warning lamp will start to glow. And in addition, warning sign will start to flash on the meter set LCD screen. In this situation, you have to immediately contact the dealership or customer care toll-free number, as in case if the problem is not rectified within permissible time limit of 20 hours. So, as per the government restrictions, vehicle will eventually go into limp home mode, which means vehicle speed will get restricted to 20 km per hour.
SML Isuzu Limited. Be the best. Be the one.